Belly fat is a universal problem that troubles both males and females. It is one of the most obstinate fats to get rid of, which becomes obvious so early and harder to reduce. Some easy abs workouts may help you reduce belly fat without going to the gym and investing a lot of money. Let us discuss how to perform them appropriately to get maximum results in the least possible time. Number 1. Starfish Crunch. Starfish crunches are a core exercise that aims at shaping the abdominal muscles. Strong muscles in this area improve stability and balance for athletic activities and daily tasks. Start from the side plank position on your left leg and hand while maintaining your balance. Stack the right leg over the other and lift the right arm upright straight. Slowly raise your right leg and try to touch the toe with the raised hand without bending the leg. Gently return to the initial position and repeat 15 times. The movement repetition buttresses your hip flexors, helping you lift your arms and upper back. Switch sides and perform starfish crunches to prevent injuries and chronic low back pain. Number 2. Airbike. The Airbike is a stationary cycling workout machine, midway between a traditional fan bike and elliptical cycling with high arm handles and pedals. It is best for beginner-level trainers trying to achieve physical fitness and exercise experience. A large fan is attached at the front instead of the wheel, which renders wind resistance according to the force you exert while pedaling. It is an excellent low-impact abs workout for belly fat. Airbike workouts aid in reducing the risk of injury and stress and improve cardiovascular health. Number 3. Bird Dog. The bird dog is a bodyweight exercise that builds up the core muscles, including the abdominal muscles, lower back, thighs, and butt. Start with bending on your knees, keeping feet and knees about hip-width apart. Place your hands directly under your shoulders with your fingers facing forward to make the tabletop position. Relax yourself without engaging your back in excessive bending or drooping. Gently raise your right leg, making it parallel to the ground. Now lift your left arm and extend it straight in front of you until it is parallel to the ground. Hold the position, relax, and restore the initial position before repeating with the opposite limbs. Anyone trying to lose belly fat can easily incorporate bird dog exercise into the core strength training routine. Number 4. Jack Split Crunch. Jack Split Crunch targets abs muscles, also called six-pack muscles. It is a warm-up activity for the lower body that helps improve hip mobility and core stability. Start by lying on your back with arms stretched outright straight above your head. Lift your legs to make an angle of 45 degrees. Slowly lift your arms and cross them out and between the legs. Return to the initial position and make 20 repetitions. It is a variation of the traditional jumping jack and is quite similar to the split jump, except for the discrepancy that arms stay stationary in the latter. Number 5. Bottoms Up. Bottoms Up is a bodyweight exercise that tones the muscles of the abs. Start by lying on your back with arms parallel to your body against each side. Slightly lift your shoulders and head off the floor. Lift your knees and bend them to bring them closer to your chest. Focus on lifting and engaging your pelvis as high up off of the floor as possible. Raise your legs maximum upwards as if you try to touch the ceiling with your toes. It is the best workout to burn and contract the core muscles to gain stability. Number 6. Bent Knee Lying Twist. It is the easiest and most effective exercise to reduce belly fat. Lay on your back with bent knees, flat feet, and arms behind your neck in a curved position. Twist both legs on the right side and lower as much as you can without lifting your feet and back off the ground while engaging the core muscles. Make 3 sets of 20 twists with 10 reps on each side. Number 7. Reverse Crunch. Lie down on the ground with knees bent upwards. Flex the knees towards the chest and lift the lower back and hips off the ground. Engage your core muscles and squeeze your abs at the extreme point to reduce belly fat. Return to the initial position, placing hips and back on the ground. Make 20 reps of 3 sets and repeat thrice a week.